Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make classic tiramisu quick, easy, and it's called instant tiramisu. Before that, click that red button to subscribe our channel. Let's see what you need for make this instant tiramisu. It's so delightful and perfect for the coffee lover. The 2 cup whipped cream, 1/4 cup cream cheese, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 12 ladies finger cookie, 1 cup brew coffee, 2 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup chocolate chip need to be chopped fine, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder for dusting. You always can use the mascarpone cheese instead of cream cheese. I try to give you a variation that you can use it whatever ingredient you have in your house. Now take one bowl, put the plastic inside the bowl to cover up all angle. This is prevent your cake sticking in the bottom on the pan and we can take it out easily. Next, we're going to make a coffee syrup. Take 1 cup coffee, brew before, add 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we can soak the ladyfinger cookie for few seconds. Now we're going to see how to make a filling, cream filling. Add all the ingredients: whipped cream, cream cheese and powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and mix for 1 minute. That's all guys. This cream mixture is delicious. You can use the same cream mixture for filling for cannoli. It's so light and the flavor is so good. Now I'm fill up in one Ziploc bag with all the cream mixture. First we need to lay up the cookie, the soak with the brewed coffee, and now we need to pipe it out the cream mixture on the next layer. Now we sprinkle some chocolate chip, chopped chocolate chip, and we layer up. We're going to repeat this process 2 times. Now I'm arranging the ladyfinger. I'm dusting some cocoa powder and some chocolate chips, and pipe it up all the cream filling evenly. That's it guys. We're almost done to make this delicious tiramisu. Now we dust some cocoa powder on the top evenly. That's it guys, we almost done. Make this dessert. All we need to set inside the fridge at least 4 hours. This dessert you can make in advance and you can keep it overnight, and it's just perfect for the party. Now I'm showing how you guys can take out the tiramisu. Just plate it on, take it all the cover out and remove the plastic. That's it guys, it just come out easily without breaking any of this cake. I'm going to again dust it some more cocoa powder. So creamy, nice texture. Now I'm giving cut a slice of tiramisu. I already have the plate being decorated with some dust of cocoa powder, and we can decorate with some chocolate chip, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, anything you have. This tiramisu is quick, easy and instant with a twist. Perfect dessert with the chocolate and coffee. Who doesn't love tiramisu? It's delight, just perfect sweetness and balance with the coffee, with the cream. It's so delightful guys. You guys need to try this tiramisu, and please leave me comments in the below. And just perfect for who's craving for the coffee and the best Italian dessert ever. Before you guys leave, please that red button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you.